If you have a large or heavily planted yard, watering it can be tricky, especially if you don't want to drag your sprinkler from spot to spot. With a circular tripod sprinkler, you can set your sprinkler just once to water some of the most challenging terrain. With a 43-foot maximum spray distance, it's perfect for large, circular, and mature lawns, covering up to 5,800 square feet. Are tall plants getting in the way of your watering? Adjust the height of the sprinkler legs up to 58 inches to evenly spray over shrubs or small trees. Easily water tricky, uneven hills or terraced gardens by adjusting the legs for stability and consistent watering coverage. The circular tripod sprinkler also lets you completely customize how you water, from the spray distance and intensity to the coverage area. Rising above your watering challenges? We call that a better day.